This video is concerned with using the underpinning machine. It's part of the joinery that we're using to fix together our mitre joints. Okay, as you can see in here, my mitre joint is held together by three staples, right, that are shaped to hold that mitre together. Using the machine is really safe and simple. Basically, the only safety gear that you need is some eye protection, so make sure that you're wearing that. When I engage this machine, what happens is my fingers are quite safe because of this guard here and the fact that the staple is coming up from underneath the machine. The staples are actuated by this foot pedal, so it's a two-stage pedal, and what I need to do is lightly hold down to the first stage and then push it to the second stage for the staple to fire. As with any joinery, alright, the nail or the staple, all it does is holds the join in position until the glue dries. The glue does the bonding. Any gluing process involves having a wet rag handy so that you can use it immediately. If I want to glue these two pieces together, what I want to do is make sure that I coat the whole surface. I don't want to put too much on there, but I want to make sure that I cover that entire surface, like so. Just as well I enjoy finger painting. This machine is specific for stapling mitres together. Picture framers use it in the industry. It has these two fences here, and what I need to do is put my first piece against this right hand fence and slide it all the way home. Then I put my second piece onto this fence and then slide it into position. I pull the apparatus fully forward. I put my clamping jig into position, and then I depress the pedal to the first position. Then to the second position to fire the staple. On my little board here is some graduated marks. At the moment I'm at full stretch on the 100. I'm going to move it forward 20 mil. So from 100 to approximately 80 on my scale. And then I'll hold down the pedal to the first stage and then to the second stage to fire the staple. Then again I'll slide forward until my scale reaches 60 mil. Hold them in position, depress the pedal to the first stage so that it clamps, and then to the second stage to fire the staple. I turn my mitre over, 3 staples. Then I simply repeat the process. So I add glue to my mitre, spread it with my finger, wipe any excess off with my wet rag, place my frame into position. The right hand framing member slides in first, left hand framing member in second, pull it forward, use my clamping block, depress the pedal to the first stage and then to the second stage. Move forward 20 mil from 100 to 80 on my scale, clamp it in position, fire the staple, release, and then move forward again another 20 mil, depress to clamp, and then to the second stage to fire the staple. To complete the frame, what I need to do is add glue to the final 2 mitres. Cover the entire surface. Put my frame together. When I put it in, remember, right hand side of the profile into the framer first, then the second. Then I need to add my clamping block. Engage the pedal to the first stage and then to the second stage to fire the staple. Slide from the 100 to the 80mm graduation. First phase, second phase. Slide to the 60mm graduation. First phase, second phase. Carefully rotate my frame. Pushing into the stop on the right hand side first, to the left hand side. Use my jig, pull back to the 100. First stage, second stage. Push forward to the 80mm graduation. First stage, second stage. Finally, push through to my 60mm and repeat the process. First phase, second phase.